Here you are at the other elevator in Northway Mall, here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
That slams. Beeps. This one was installed in 2016.
16, huh? Very close.
This one's older.
This might be the first one, I can't remember.
This is definitely by far one. See, show this.
Okay.
In Pennsylvania, the permit number, the first 4 digits, is the year the elevator was installed.
Oh, really? Oh, you got the buttons? Alright.
So that's something good to know. Now let's check out the projection screen.
Oh, wow.
That's a projection screen.
That's weird how the light is still lit up when we're moving.
What light?
The light that's on the
I didn't even notice this.
indicator.
Door close button actually works, I think. Yep. They actually work now. Now I'm going to show you the other elevator.